Hello everyone, another hermit crab hatch haul. Well, really, I cannot keep myself from going back there to the hermit crab hatch. This store is just so addictive, and my hermit crabs love it. Please excuse all the ruckus in the background. More bubble wrap, and I got one of those medium large shells, or I guess medium. Just for my little guys. For Lexi. One of those baby shells. This thing. It's a little one. I think it'll be for Lexi. Just I think Lexi's little. Bubbles! And I just, the two foods that they featured. Some new foods that they featured, yeah. Yep, this right here I got is Krabby Delights Spring Submix. It's grape leaves, 2 kinds of maple leaves, 3 kinds of oak leaves, pansy leaves, flowers, popcorn, tree leaves, and marigold petals. This is what it looks like. And I got this Krabby Delight Wild Things. This has crickets, mealworms, dandelion leaf roots, flowers, chickweed hat, and yep. So I would put this in tonight for my Krabby dinner. So that's what I mostly got. And this is a baby shell. Oh my goodness. It's for my little girl.